My name is Scott Bauer and I am a medium. My passion is the paranormal. I seek, I help, I hunt, and I track down ghosts. These are my ghost hunts.
Because now you just started.
Shall we go for a walk around the rest of the flat, see if we can pick up anything?
Yeah, because this room's actually starting to make me feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, we'll have a walk around and then we'll call it a night then and go downstairs. I don't want to pick up anything there.
Oh god.
Someone's here or something.
What was that? What did you just say, Colin?
Stop pain in my head like someone's here or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, like a blunt object.
Yeah. Why? Scott, you alright?
Something
Yeah,
like
I'm fine.
something like a bucket.
It is. I'm just trying to see if I can pick up anything
Dunno,
from
it's
the
not
object.
Because obviously Colleen's has been, for example, she's been hit round the head with something blunt, like a blunt object. Like the bucket you've got in your hand is like a blunt object kind of thing. So it could have been.
Mary, come here. Right, okay. Put that back.
Who's Mary?
Probably the right.
Yeah.
Right. I've just been told that I've got to put that back. Oh, my legs have gone cold. Feel my legs, see if I can get any warmth.
Oh, film that, please.
My legs have gone really cold. Do you not like me in here, Mary? I don't think Mary likes me in here. I'm picking up on the name Mary. Oh, very stern.
Well,
lady.
I'll just caught an orb then.
Very stern.
It went over to your left side,
Yeah?
Scott. It went over towards
Oh, I
the
see.
cupboard, towards the bucket way.
This way?
No, yeah, towards the bucket.
Oh,
No, you just put the
bucket.
bucket down.
Yeah?
It went over towards that way.
Mary? Like soft baby.
I was just looking.
Yeah, you're right. You can put them on in a minute. I'm trying to get them all.
I saw an orb go straight over towards that bucket way.
Yeah?
Mm.
Mary? Do you walk this flat? Oh, I'm getting real angry now. She does not like me in her kitchen.
She's
is
right.
real
She doesn't want you in the kitchen, but she's right with me in the kitchen.
Real
What
stern,
about if
baby.
I come in the kitchen?
Yeah, let's try another woman and see what happens.
Oh, she
Let's
might not
try-
like another
Whoa,
woman
whoa,
in
whoa,
the
whoa.
kitchen.
Yeah?
Just caught another orb.
Come
It
on,
was
baby.
coming out towards me.
Hi, Mary, you alright? Oh, I've gone cold down my neck.
Yeah? I'm feeling really cold down my legs. Feel my legs there.
We don't wish to cause you any harm.
We don't, Mary.
We don't want to take your kitchen from you
Not
because
happy.
as a woman myself, I know what it's like. I hate people in my kitchen. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah, you might want to be careful over there, Scott.
Eh?
Might want to be careful there because there's loads of wood and everything over that
Yeah,
way.
I will do. I will be careful. I don't know why, but I'm feeling.
Something to do with the cooker.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if I remember this correctly, Colin, that oven, that microwave door was open, wasn't it?
Yes.
When we went in,
Yes.
and now it's closed.
Did we not close it?
No, we didn't close it.
I don't want to do that. No,
No.
no, that's it. I've had enough now. I've
Oh.
had enough now.
Why?
I'll just touch that cooker and I think I've got to see what happened to him. I can't handle that.
Well, I can't see I'm going. Shane, where are you?
Go on.
Yeah.
What?
Well, don't you want to see what happened to them?
Because if
Do I
he's
really
getting,
want to see how they died?
I
Because
do all the
because-
time and I feel the pain.
I do. all
because
the
if he
time,
got what
but-
I got when I was in there, you remember when I touched the cooker, Colin?
Mm.
I've got a bit of something. I've got something really bad in there. Like
Yeah,
it's like an
sorry,
image
baby.
of how it happened.
No, I've got a bad feeling now.
Do you want me to go back in there?
Yeah, I'll take
Then can
over.
we go?
Then we go. If this is true about the cooker and that's how it started, give me a sign around there now.
I'll touch it and I will try and channel it if someone's with me.
I don't want nothing to do with it. I'll draw the line there.
It's going to hurt.
Give me a sign if this is how you went, by the cooker.
Someone lit the gas and they put a tea towel over the flame. The kids were in bed asleep. They knew what they were doing.
Give me a sign if this is right.
Very depressed. She was very depressed.
And I can very much doubt. I think me and Colin can most probably tell you which ones were the kids' bedrooms as well.
She was crying. She had no choice. He was going to leave her, I think. She wanted to keep them all together. And I believe someone was hit the way I felt.
I do believe that.
She hit him in the living room, knocked him out, the kids were in bed. She put the flames on. Oh my God, I feel funny. She put a tea towel over the flames.
Is that you shaking the cooker?
No.
It's shaking.
Yes, I can. And she basically waited to die so that they would stay together so he wouldn't leave.
I'm feeling quite a lot of anger and upset at the exact same time.
I think Harriette might be his mistress. The one you picked up
Yeah. And Howard, one you picked up.
was him. I can't do it now because she's showing me her kids in bed. No, I can't.
That's why I couldn't.
She's showing me the kids.
I don't know about Connie, but I would like to show you the kids' bedrooms.
Oh shit.
You right, baby?
Do you remember Emily? That was you picked up
Yeah.
earlier on. Right. I'm going.
Before you go in there, Nat, sorry
Right.
to interrupt you, buddy.
That's all right.
Just want to film this without anybody in it. Just to see.
Oh God, that's drained me. I could see her.
Thank you. We got an orb. Give me another one. One more sign that this is definitely you, then we'll leave you alone.
She'd rather die. She'd rather die than
Yeah.
be classed as a broken
This-
family.
I think this one here is picking up, seeing the images,
Are you?
because she's tearing it.
It's how she didn't want to, but she didn't want to be classed as a
You
broken
alright,
family.
Shannon?
No, she didn't want like in those days it was not right to be like
Yeah.
a broken family.
Yeah.
She'd
Yeah,
rather
okay,
die.
mate.
Oh God, I can see the children. She's still showing me the children.
Can I show you the kids' bedrooms?
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt you there, buddy. I just wanted to, felt like I had to get the room
Yeah.
on its own, got a fucking orb.
Take
That's
them
right.
away, take
Right.
them away, take
Colleen,
them away.
you
Hold on, I can see the kids on
Take
fire.
Where
take
are you,
them away,
baby?
take them away. I can see the images of the kids screaming.
Nefertiti, can you take this image away for Colleen?
I can see the kids in bed
Take
crying.
it away, take it away, take it away.
They're dead, they're gone. They're dead.
Right, we going that? Yeah, thank you, an orb.
Did you see that,
She's tearing it.
Shannon?
Right.
Did you see how the kids died?
Scott.
Yeah.
That little girl Emily you picked up on.
Oh no, hang on, say that again.
That little girl Emily you picked up on.
Yeah.
She's feeling depressed and angry like the woman.
Right.
This is her bedroom.
That's exactly what I picked
This
up
was
on
her
last time I
bedroom.
was here.
We need to get her outside.
Yeah, we
And
do.
then the room by the toilet.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have touched
Was.
that cooker, should I?
Lotion of.
Come on.
Right. Let's go out and. Come on. Come on. Oh, where's that bag? The bag.
That was me. You alright? Yeah? Feeling a bit better?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to explain what you just felt then?
I was so depressed and angry and
You were feeling what they were feeling. You did right to come out. This is your first time. And
that was horrible.
at the end of the day, we're not going to put you through that. Right?
Yeah.
We got you at our best interest. Okay?
Yeah.
All you got to remember is spirit cannot harm you. They can show you, but they cannot harm you.
Yeah.
Right? Feeling a bit better?
Yeah.
Right. You did well, alright? You did fucking well. Told you you had the gift, didn't I?
Oh my god, she was so horrible and depressed.
I know, I felt it too. You know, when I touched that cooker, they were about to show me what they showed Colleen when he connected. I wouldn't go through it. I failed not to go through that. I thought, no, I can't go through that. No, because it will upset me. And I'm glad I didn't.
Mary, how many letters was he missing? Mary, come on.
Yeah, we've been there, but can we quickly look round here?
Where you found, baby?